Shenzhen Yousan Technology Company Limited was established in 2016. It is a diversified group company, including industrial tape business, film products business, die-cutting business division. Our company is headquartered in Shenzhen's Special Economic Zone, the capital of innovation. We have production bases and sales departments in Hong Kong, Dongguan, Shanghai, Kunshan, and Xiamen. Our company always adheres to the tenet of quality for survival, innovation for development, and customer first. Our company has introduced high-precision coating lines, full automatic slitting machine, high-precision slitting and laminating machine, committed to the R&D, production, sales of protective film and adhesive tape. Our company mainly includes high-temperature series, Kapton tape, Teflon tape, PET silicone tape, foam series, acrylic foam, PE foam, PU, EVA, EPDM foam, conductive heat conduction series, thermal conductive tape, aluminum foil, copper foil, conductive cloth, insulation series, mylar tape, battery tape, glass cloth tape, acetate cloth tape, electrical tape, double-sided adhesive series, PET, non-woven, non-substrate, PVC backing double-sided tape, single-sided adhesive series, PE, PET, PU, CPP, PP, OPP, acid-resistant protective film. Our factory also has die-cutting business department, long-term cooperation with 3M, TESA, Nitto, and other brands for auto parts, LCD, LED, TV, and other panel double-sided strong adhesive tape and protective film, mainly used for surface protection of electronic and electrical parts. Strong bonding between structure and structure. It mainly plays the role of strong bonding, shockproof, and sealing.